Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will do a deeper analysis of the general log configuration of the logs that have been imported in exercise 23. For that, we will open our Sahara project and opening the log window, open it here, logs. Let's select some wells, all of them selected. Here we can see that we have the different logs associated with the wells. And if we move further, we will see that once we land in well 81, well 81 doesn't have any information on the SP gamma ray track. So now we will want to see why that is happening by going to the configuration of the logs in edit, logs, and look for the well that doesn't have the curve, in this case 81. Once we analyze this, we can see that we have the caliper here, we have conductivity and the different resistivity curves as well, density, also resistivity. But here we see that we had two curves, two mnemonics that don't have any information associated to them. There are two types of SP. We have SPX and SPX edit. These two curves haven't been defined at the moment of import, so they don't have any unit and they are not associated with the alias name ASP. So now what we will do is modify this. First, we will use the dictionary curve, and once here we will select this option, pressing the project, so we can filter all the different mnemonics that are present in the project at the moment, and we will look for this as well without unigroup. This will allow us to see all the curves that doesn't have any unigroup and probably are not recognized in any way by Sahara. So now we can see effectively we have these two that we need to modify. So we will select the correct unigroup first so we can add them to the alias. In this case for SP we will use electric potential, that should be here, electric potential, and electric potential as well here. So now we will save this, and now both of these have a unit group assigned, so as the rest of the speakers, they are now assigned correctly to the type of curve due to the unit group being assigned as electric potential. So now we will save this and we will go to this option here. No, sorry, this is just to check on the curves. No, I was in the right window here, and aliases, and here we will modify the SP alias group, and here we can see that the two curves that we had before are now at the bottom of the unselected group. So we will add them with this button here and with this button here. Remember that the order here is relevant, because if some well has the SP curve, the normal SP curve, and also has the SPX curve, now we are giving priority to the SPX curve. So something that we should consider as well is the unit that is being selected for the SPX. But for now, let's add it to the alias, and now we have it selected. But we will use this button because I want to ensure that this has the lower priority, these two. So we will ensure that we have to move it like this. So now we ensure that the one that has the highest priority is still the normal SP curve, and then SP edit, SP ed, and then these two, which if they are the only ones that are present in that well, they are going to be plotted. But otherwise, we will plot these ones first. So now I will close here. Yes, I want to say the changes, and I want to check the units. I was forgetting about that. Yeah, we didn't assign any unit to it. I mean, we know that the group of units is electric potential, so that is fine. But we need to also edit which unit of electric potential is going to be used. In this case, it's going to be millivolt, like this, which is the correct unit of this loaded curve SPX and SPX edit. So now with that, we should have the curves correctly selected with the correct units and added to the SP alias or SP alias group. So now if we go to the log window, we will check if we did everything fine. View logs, and the well 81 now has its SPX curve. So you can see we are using the SP alias, and now it's being recognized. The curve SPX is being recognized as part of the SP alias group. Um, and also the right curve is selected here, is plotted here, so we now have the correct information displayed. Always check when you import last files, go to your edit file, edit log window, and check if you have curves or mnemonics that are not assigned with any unit group, because normally you will need to do this kind of modification of adding the units, adding the group units, and normally adding them to aliases if you will use them here in the log window. So yeah, that will be everything for this tutorial. I hope it was useful, and have a great day.